How did the war between the US and Iran begin? And why did it break out? Within hours, the Middle East was ablaze with explosions, missiles, and warplanes in the sky. The whole world was watching. But the real question is, how did the war between the US and Iran begin? And why did things reach this point?
السلام والله مولع يا اخوان في الجو في صيانة قاعد فوق. الشدات شو شدات هاي كمان سادس.
To understand what happened, we must go back years. Since the 1979 Iranian Revolution, the United States and Iran have become political and military adversaries. Diplomatic relations were severe, and Washington imposed harsh economic sanctions on Iran, while Iran accused the United States of interfering in regional affairs and supporting its adversaries. For years, the conflict never turned into a full-scale war, but it evolved into a long shadow conflict, including sanctions, cyber attacks, proxy wars, and limited military incidents across the Middle East. Tensions escalated further over Iran's nuclear program. The United States claimed that Iran was getting closer to developing nuclear weapons, which it considered a major threat to regional and global security. Iran, however, insisted that its nuclear program was strictly for peaceful purposes. Then came the turning point. As tensions between Iran and Israel intensified, and military exchanges escalated in the region, the United States intervened militarily alongside its ally. It carried out strikes targeting Iranian nuclear and military facilities. Stating the goal was to weaken Iran's nuclear capabilities and prevent future threats. Iran considered these strikes an act of war and responded by launching missiles and drones at U.S. military bases in the region, pushing the situation into a new phase of direct confrontation. Within days, fears grew of a wider regional war that could involve multiple countries in the Middle East, with serious consequences for global oil prices, the economy, and international shipping routes. But why would both sides risk such a dangerous conflict? For the United States, the stated goal is to prevent Iran from obtaining nuclear weapons and to protect its forces and allies in the region. For Iran, it argues that it is defending its sovereignty, rejecting foreign pressure and sanctions, and claiming its right to respond to any attack. Despite the escalation, neither side has shown full interest in an all-out prolonged war, which is why diplomatic efforts continue alongside military tensions in an attempt to prevent further escalation. And the big question remains, is this the end of the confrontation, or just the beginning of a new chapter in the conflict between two major powers in the region?